Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
This is Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now, what if you have a great looking vehicle, but you want to make it look even better? Well, how about a body kit from ADRO? These are pretty amazing. Now, Sarah, the Corvette C8, for example, this is the body kit for that. It's a great looking car, but you put this on and it just blows folks away. Before we get to the specifics though, tell me about ADRO.
So ADRO stands for Aerodynamic Development Race Optimization, and as you can see from the parts that we have in front of us, as well as our name, we produce aero body kits.
And how long has the company been around?
So we've been around since 2020, and we're headquartered in South Korea, where we actually engineer and manufacture all of our products, but our design team is actually based in California.
What's the primary emphasis for the folks designing these kits?
Well, I would say our design philosophy is really to improve the OEM design style rather than completely change it. And I think that really stems from our chief designer's background. He has been in the OEM design industry for over a decade. He's worked at Mercedes-Benz, Hyundai, and Rivian, and he's actually the man behind the Mercedes-Benz Maybach concept car, the Vision 6.
Wow, great.
So again, we want to develop the car's personality more than completely change what it is.
Let's talk about the Corvette in particular. What's the material?
So it's made out of prepreg, which is just a different name for dry carbon fiber, and it results in this very light and durable product because of its different manufacturing process. Basically, the resin is already pre-impregnated within the carbon fiber.
How light are we talking?
Well, why don't we lift it up? So if you feel this, it's just really light.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, a lot lighter
Yeah.
than even wet carbon fiber.
And there were some boxes, you know, when this all shipped in, and we
Exactly.
were all deceived. These giant boxes, and they weighed nothing, so that's pretty amazing. And the elements look great here. I like the fins there on the outside as well. They look very cool.
This is the front lip, and it's obviously divided into two parts, one on the driver's side and the passengers. And we have this sporty wing that really adds the aggressive look and feel to the front of the C8. And that actually extends to the side skirts.
And I love it. You know, the Stingray, the shark is kind of the feel of a Corvette, and this really captures it. It's very cool. And I want to talk to Abe here about the rear diffuser. This is a pretty complicated piece.
It is. So you can see the quad fins, Dave, right? And it gives it that aggressive look. It comes with the honeycomb mesh grille. And these two holes that you're seeing here is for the rear parking sensor. So they're pre-drilled. It bolts right on. You're not going to have to drill into the body, but the under panel you do.
So you're not going to see any visible marks, and it's all underneath.
That is correct.
Cool. Now you have this complicated diffuser here on the Corvette. Now let's look over at the BMW the M4 kit.
So this is the F82 BMW M4 kit. As you can see, we have the fins right here that ties in with the side skirts. With our ADRO products, you'll see our stamp of approval right there.
Got it.
Now, similar to the C8, we have our tabs right here, and they line up with the OEM bumper perfectly. So yes, design is one thing, but proper fitment is what we absolutely take pride on at ADRO.
And I think also paying tribute to the original vehicle and accentuating what's already there.
That is correct. Not taking it away, but really highlighting the design elements of the M4.
Excellent. The fins carry onto the side plates as well.
That is correct. And one thing we pride ourselves in is tying in each piece from the rear to the side to the front. So when our design philosophy is really looking at the whole car, not just individual pieces, although they are sold individually.
Now let's talk about this kit then. It's your most popular one.
It is. It is our most popular selling item. This is a version 2 spoiler for the Hyundai Veloster N. It's a very aggressive design. The Veloster community has supported us tremendously, and you can see a lot of Hyundai Velosters repping our wing.
Excellent, and those folks love the aftermarket stuff, and this is the best of the best here.
That is correct.
I looked on the website, and ADRO makes 15 or 20 different models.
That is correct. We have 15 models, and we are designing about 2 to 3 products per month. So we have a lot of new products in the pipeline coming up.
And I was just going to ask, what's next?
What's next is the Tesla Model 3 and the Model Y pre-preg carbon fiber kit. At this moment right now, we're actually doing a pre-order, and that inventory will be arriving in end of June. Also coming up in the pipeline in Q3 and Q4, we are going to transition to the JDM platform. So we will be coming out with the GR86, the BRZ, and the 400Z from Nissan. Right after the Tesla kit, we are working on a 2018 Mustang carbon fiber program. Right after that, we have a very special project. It's the G82 M4, the brand new M4. This one's the F82. As we all know, the G82 has a highly controversial kidney grill. Our design is going to fix that problem.
And SEMA's coming up in fall of 2022 as well.
So we will be exhibiting at SEMA. We'll be in the North Hall, and you're going to be able to see all of our new products displayed at the SEMA show. So make sure you stop by.
Believe me, folks, when you see this on a vehicle, it's going to take it to a whole new level. You're going to love it. Check them out at ADRO.com. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, so don't go anywhere.